Hey everybody, sorry about that. I guess the connection died. Okay, so I'm back and I was talking about E for engage. Of course, this will all be recorded, so if you can't be here, you'll be able to see it in this group later on. Okay, so E is for engage, and this is about action. It says what you can do is tag others and bring them into your fold by sharing and asking for direct messages or comments. And another way to think about this is called beehive or boost. So, gather ask your own audience questions and how you can help them. Ask them questions like, what do you need help in buying a house? What do you need help in selling a house? And just, make it fun, make it entertaining, make sure they have a lot of information. And then S is for sizzle. So one of the things that you want to do as a business person is don't just promote your services, but try to create something that you can sell. Try to create a product or something. Like I have two daughters, 9 and 17, and they are creating these realtor t-shirts and these faux leather earrings. And so I'm teaching them from a young age how to start a business and how to do that. So always find ways that you can go ahead and start a business. This one, obviously customized on my back. Probably can't see it. Says grow your tribe or something. So that's another way of branding. Just make sure that whenever you go out somewhere to soccer games or when you go out to eat or whenever you're out showing houses, wear a t-shirt. Make sure that people know you're the realtor. I was showing houses last night and it was me and the couple, and another realtor walked out and I had my shirt on, so he handed me the keys right away. He's like, I can tell you're the realtor. And so, a lot of times people kind of can't tell who's the realtor or who's the buyer. And so just make sure that you can differentiate that. So those are different things to talk about on social media. The last thing I want to talk about is how to become a real estate expert. The way to become a real estate expert is to be able to know all the different niches in real estate. Know all the different ways that you can earn money in real estate. I started buying real estate in 2001, and I wasn't even a realtor. I started buying investment properties in 2001, and that's when I learned how to make money with real estate. That's when I learned about all the different niches. So I didn't actually become a realtor until 2006. And I've been a realtor in 3 different states for over 6 years since then. And so I know a lot of people, they don't think about finding out how to make money with real estate and how to learn all the different niches. They're just like, ooh, I want to become a realtor. And then they take the course and then they get their license and they sign up with a broker. And then they're like, now what? What do I do now? So this group is to help you realize A, how to grow your business, and B, how to become a real estate expert. So I offer a course at ladyrealtorboss.com, which talks about all the different niches, talks about all of the different ways to make money in real estate. I follow Robert Kiyosaki who wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and he gives a wealth of information. And just go to those places, do your research, check out ladyrealtorboss.com because it will give you more information on how to become an expert. Because your clients, your buyers and your sellers, they want to know how to make money on their primary residence. They may not be regular investors who are flipping homes or buying and holding and renting out homes, but they still want to be able to know how to make money. So I share different tips in there on how to do that. And if you're interested in that, go to ladyrealtorboss.com, or you can email me and I can share the link with you. Again, send me your email if you haven't already, so I can give you a social media. It's an Excel spreadsheet on how to organize your social media, and then a worksheet it's a Word document on what you should be posting about each day, which type of content, the ACEs category, and it talks about biz and BTS and bio and boost. So if you're interested in all that, let me know. And so a few ways to become a real estate expert. Find out your niches, find out how to make money. There's so many different ways to make money. And just keep learning as much as you can. Yes, all the classes that we have to go to for core credit is important, but finding out how to make money in real estate is also important. Maybe even more important. And so that's what I first started, was I learned how to make money in real estate first before I even became a realtor. And so if you figure out how to make money in real estate and then you tie it into growing your business, you will constantly be having buyers and sellers come to you because A, they see how educated you are on social media, or B, they will be referred to you by their friends who you have already helped. So I no longer have to do floor duty. I don't have to do open houses. I don't have to spend money on mailers. I don't have to do any of that. I have people coming to me all the time who want me to represent them as a realtor because I've showed my expertise on social media, or because I've helped their friends who I shared expertise with, and then those friends referred me. And so, right now I'm helping 4 different buyers, and it's just been within a 2-week time period. So this is a great time. I will give you more information, but go ahead and check out that course, ladyrealtorboss.com, because it shows you all about the niches and the different types of real estate and how to earn money. And then if you're interested in those worksheets and the social media calendar that I have on Excel, email me your email, or send me your email in a message, a private message, because it will get lost here, and I will email you those Excel spreadsheets and those Word documents on what to post each day and where to get different posts. All right, ladies, thank you so much for watching. This will be recorded, so you can watch it at your leisure. Ask me any questions that you want, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Sorry.